Meteorologist Joe Hansel here, and I'm back with a Sunday look at your national forecast, and I'm back just like the cicadas are. For some of the eastern United States, you might be hearing that lovely, deafening sound of the cicadas that are back at action. Now, for Saturday, we had a lot of record highs out in the eastern U.S. where those cicadas have been, showing up and doing their thing. New York City near 94 for a high temperature today, record highs across areas of the United States, including out east, watching for threats of severe weather. The best potential, an elevated risk, meaning scattered thunderstorms are possible to even likely. Areas of South Dakota and Nebraska. If you're in that area, be weather aware of a risk of large hail damaging winds, spin up of a tornado or two. Know that's a safe place to be before severe weather strikes. Marginal risk as far south as areas just east of El Paso near the Mexican border. Isolated severe weather, meaning for marginal risk. And out east where we had the record highs yesterday, cities like Boston, Bridgeport, Providence, New York City, large hail and damaging winds with isolated severe weather potentials out there today. We have a far-stretching front between the mountains and the Great Plains today. That's going to help influence everything from heavy rain, storms, and still some heavy mountain snow. Avoid travel if you can near the Rocky Mountains. Winter weather advisory continues. Areas of western Montana, northeast Idaho today, elevated wildfire risk. We got a red flag warning for areas of Utah, New Mexico, ongoing river flooding from all that recent heavy rain for areas like Houston. So remember to watch out for any flooded roadways that may still linger. High near 80 in Houston today. Washington, D.C. heating right back up near the Big 90. Billings, Montana near 65. In terms of snow, we're going to talk about 10 to 20 inches of it, mainly in the high elevations of Idaho and western Montana down into various mountain ranges of western Wyoming as well. So most, if not all, the snow will stay up in the mountains. But if you are traveling in that area, be very weather aware. Still may be some very treacherous driving conditions due to that mountain snow.